Hello guys. Today our from group 1 we want to presentation about our discussion. Before we start our presentation, we will introduce ourselves. The first, my name is Eric Jonathan with my student number 1907-10-424, and my partner in this discussion is Doni Maximilian with the student number is 1907-10-358. Okay. Before we start to our topic with the game, first we will introduce what kind of topic that we get. The topic that we get in this discussion is climate action. First, we need to know what is climate action. Climate action means step up effort to reduce greenhouse gas emission and strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity to climate induced impact, including climate-related hazard in all countries, integrating climate change measure into national policies, strategy and planning, and improving education awareness, raising and human, and also institutional capacity with respect to climate change, mitigation, adaptation, impact reduction, and early warning. Okay, next we go to our topic about the game.
Okay, I will explain about our new game. The name of the game is Climate City. In the games, the player develops a city from a patch of undeveloped land. The player controls where to place development zones, infrastructure like roads and power plants, landmarks, and public services such as schools, parks, hospitals, and fire stations. The player also needs to prepare some climate action in order to take urgent action if there are climate change in the city, like placing drains or make artificial rain to wet the forest so that wildfire don't occur during the dry season. There are two development zone types are the major areas. The first is residential zones for houses and apartment buildings, and the last is industrial zones for factories, farms, and warehouses. The win condition in the games is when the player complete all the tasks given and continue to the next city. The goal of this game is to provide knowledge about the importance of climate action and reduction of gas emissions in a city. Next, please. Now I will explain about how to play the games. The character in these games are the player and game assistant. Game assistant will help the player by giving quick report about the city conditions. The player will give a quick tutorial about how to place the construction, and after the tutorial, the player will do the task given. The task is like building 20 houses and building 5 factories, etc. If the task is completed, the player will get rewards such like in-game money to buy or build other construction. The player can get money by building factories and cooperate with other cities. Other cities will demand any ingredient that our factories, your city, the player factories produce. So the player can get more money by producing more ingredient. Some houses will remain turning their light on. Player must click the houses to turn off the light and get some money by that. In the game, there will be some climate indication or climate prediction and disaster will come. The player must prepare some strategies to counter the disaster. It can be heavy raining, global warming, or maybe wildfire. The player can set the factory's work time to prevent the global warming and reduce gas emission by providing more public transportation and turning off electronics that are not in use. Player also can build drains to prevent flood by heavy raining. If the player manages to complete all tasks, the player will move to a new city with different climate and player must prepare new strategies in order to win. To understand more, please watch this short video of the gameplay.
Okay, the next is about the strategy in this game. The strategy of this game is very simple. You just need to make sure that people can live in this city happily without the pollution that will lead to climate action. And next, have a target market. Our target market is 20 years old and over. Because if the target market is under than 20 years, children under 20 years, they are still do not understand to follow the rule of the game. So that game aren't suitable for children under 12 years. This game is made with the intention of making people aware that the waste of exacting resources and exercise pollution from both homes and industrial can lead to climate change action that will lead to many disaster. And for the example, in this game, it illustrates that if the pollution rate in a city is very high, then various disasters will hit the city. Therefore, through the game, it is hoped that the target market will be aware of the bad climate change action caused by pollution. It is also hoped that all target it is also hoped that all target markets will not misters the objects of the game, so that the level of climate change action can be reduced by utilization environment friendly engineering sources. And that is all of our presentation. Thank you for your attention and see you for our next presentation. Thank you.